Welding 360 here with another welding video. Today I'm going to go over different types of weld joints. This is a T-joint. You see, go along here with a MIG welder. You can use TIG, whatever, any kind of different welder. Stick, TIG, you can use any type of welder. This is a MIG welder that I use to do this. This is a lap joint, which it overlaps. Two pieces of the metal are overlapped, welded on both sides. There, and right there, right there. And then this one is a bent T-joint, because you have to, when you're welding it, as soon as you get to here, right here where the bend's at, you change directions. So it's kind of tricky. It took me a couple tries at the RMTC, but I finally got it. Same thing here. When you go along here, and then once you go to the corner, once you get to the corner, you have to change directions like this and do it that way. You start this way and you do a drag, and then you go that way like that. And that's pretty much it for the weld positions that I have right now. There's also two different, there's just tons of different weld positions. You can also weld vertical, up and down, which is up and down, and horizontal, back, which is left to right, or left to right, and right to left, whatever. That's pretty much it. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Welding 360 out.